we got something kind of cool going on right now. In here is we're doing a little unboxing. Show you something kind of cool. We got some new wheels for the 70. Sure that's a receipt. Oh, got more tape. Let's see what we got here. That's right. Yeah, the new Mach 1 rims. And not only the new Mach 1 rims, but I had to do something a little different, a little extra. So let's take a gander here, see if I can get these up. Suckers aren't light. There we go. Let's take a look at this. Oh yeah, very nice. So I had these wheels sent off. Oh, about lost it. I want you to look at how nice the finish is on this. Unbelievable. Look at those welds. They did a great job. So anyway, so yeah, this is the new Mach 1 rim. Now, one of the things that's kind of cool about it, I was looking for some new shoes for this car, and well, I didn't like how much the fronts protruded, so I decided to go a different route, and I ended up looking at these, and just so happens that the front wheels were the right back spacing for my 70. Let's go out here and take a look. And as you can tell, the offsets pretty much like the other ones. You can see the front ones. And as you can tell, if you look right here, how much they're inset. Same deal. But yeah, there's Mr. Shelby. So I still got to clean the rims up, but it's kind of crazy. You know, while you're at it, give us a thumbs up. Leave some comments. What do you like? Do you like the bronze? Or do you like the Mach 1s on there? We'll get some better pictures when we get the fronts on installed. You've seen some pictures of the car with the bronze. But anyway, leave some comments. Oh, and subscribe to Gray Hair Garage if you haven't. But leave some comments. I'd like to know what you think. Maybe I should take those and get them done in bronze. But for right now, we're just going to get them installed and balanced. And I think it looks pretty cool. I think it's kind of cool to have a newer Mach 1 rim on a early Mach 1 with all the things that have been done to this car. Alright guys, we got the tires mounted up on the wheels. Let's check it out, see how it rotates out. They're running pretty true. And not too far off. 2.5 ounces. I've seen a whole lot worse.
Well, hey, how are you doing there, Mike?
Man, I'm fantastic.
I gotta say, I noticed the change with the Mustang. The wheels are a new style there.
Yeah, new style. Kind of where it started. You know, my daily driver is a 16.
Right.
And I've been talking about changing it up a little bit. And so we watched one of our fellow YouTubers showed these wheels. I did not realize you could buy these now.
Okay.
Because they're new.
Yeah,
New to the
they're
Mach
on the
1.
new Mach 1, right?
Yeah, and I love the color, and I thought with the silver that I have on my 16, I thought it would look good, and then I thought even with the Shelby GT 500 it would look good.
Right.
Come to find out a few things. The offsets are a little different. On the Shelby, you need at least a 20-inch minimum rim, and so I said, well, I'm out messing around. I'm drinking a couple of cold beers like we do on occasion. And
That's how some of the best ideas come around, don't they?
And I said, let's see how it fits on the 70. Well, sure enough. So what we ended up doing, these are actually the fronts. They're 10.5-inch wide rim.
Okay.
So they're 19 by 10.5.
Okay.
They are the perfect offset for the rear of my 70.
Okay.
The front, which has the rears on the front, these are 19 by 11s.
Okay.
And so what I did, I thought about it. We went back and forth talking about it, and it's like, man, I'd love to cut these down 2 inches, make them a 19 by 9.
Right.
And so I got in touch with a company. Well, I actually got in touch with the company that built the rims, Detroit Wheel. Talked to them. I said about maybe doing a custom set, and they said, no, we can't do that. But you can go to this company called Wheelcraft, and you can get them cut down.
So this company is specifically, their job is to cut and,
so
and also widen if you need it.
Yeah, and so if you want to cut a wheel down or widen it, they can do it for you. I was skeptical at first because, I mean, really, you think about any time you're adding,
Oh yeah.
Subtracting widths, that you're going to have some issues with run out and stuff like that. So Wellcraft out of Michigan did these. I crossed my fingers, prayed that everything did right.
Because these are brand new wheels that you bought.
Brand new wheels. I was, you know how I am.
Oh, I know.
I'm very particular.
Yep.
I was more than happy. More than happy. I was
great.
Quite surprised at the workmanship, the fit and finish, everything. I actually put it on the balancer and rolled it out, and you couldn't ask for any better.
Excellent.
Really couldn't.
Excellent.
So they cut 2 inches out of this front wheel, which was actually the rear wheel, 19 by 11.
So the rears are actually the front wheels on a Mach 1.
Correct.
And you didn't have to do any
nothing to
fab to that.
Correct. The only ones I had to modify were the rears that fit.
Right. Yeah, because
in my case on the front,
you'd have, and since the rears fit fine, the logical thing is just to take the fronts and make them more narrow.
Yes. So we took 2 inches out.
Okay.
All sets correct. I actually like a little bit better because it gives me a little more clearance.
More clearance.
Clearance. But anyway, yeah. So you see what it is.
Yeah. They look great.
And I like the matte gray, gunmetal gray that's on there. So
I don't know how it shows up on the video, but they look superb.
And also you throw out there, because I'm a Ford guy, the Ford Motorsport.
Oh yeah,
center cap.
I like that touch too.
And so one of the other things I did was I actually put the correct lug nuts. These are 13/16 lug nuts. They work with the lug wrench, all that stuff. You don't have to have any special tools. Got new sensors, set everything up. But
cool. So it's the further evolving of the old and new Mustang, but also specifically the Mach, because these are the brand new Mach 1 wheels.
So I'm weird, you know this.
Oh yeah.
It's a Mach 1 70.
Yep.
It's got a GT drivetrain. It's got Mach 1 rims from a later model.
Right.
And we also, as you see in some of our other videos, we got active exhaust.
Exactly, which that is pretty special in itself.
I think we're done with the mods on this car.
Yeah. You pretty much have done everything you can.
I don't know what else I can do.
Right. are you, brother?
I'm fantastic. How are you?
I'm pretty good. It's another day at Gray Hair Garage.
Yeah.
And we just kind of went over the brand new Mach 1 wheels on your 70.
Yes, sir.
I don't know if you guys know, but you can't simply just mount these new wheels on an old 70 Mach 1.
Correct.
There's a lot of differences between the two.
Yeah, essentially we covered it in the video, but bottom line is the fronts went on the rear and the rears went on the fronts. And I sent the fronts out to a company called Weldcraft out of Michigan. And they cut 2 inches out and re-welded.
Right. And they did a fantastic job.
Oh, yeah. He knows I'm particular. I'm very particular.
Absolutely.
I figured they were going to come back and be out around all kinds of different. No, these guys did a fantastic job.
Yeah.
And as you can see, they didn't even damage the powder coating on the rims.
Right.
And so all I had to do was just kind of blend in the paint, which the barrels are all black anyway. So I just blended it into the paint and mounted up the wheels and tires. And as you see, it looks pretty dang good.
It looked great on it. And it fits with the 70, the Mach 1 theme and their Mach 1 wheels. And it goes with adding the new and the old together. So it kind of continues the theme on it.
So I'm real happy with them. I don't know what you guys think.
Let us know.
Exactly. Leave in the comment section. Do you like these better, or do you like the bronze ones that I had on it before?
Right. Give us some feedback.
Yeah, we love the feedback. So anyway, I hope you guys like this video.
Please like,
subscribe,
and share.
And hit that notification
button.
Yeah.
All right, brother. Cheers.
Cheers, man.